Okay, guys, so clearly I have become obsessed with this product. Bring you in to show you what I'm getting ready to do. This particular picture I took at the Tulip Garden in Holland. And I took it with one of those disposable cameras. It's been years and years. But I had it framed, and it's not the best quality, honestly, as far as the picture goes, because it was one of those disposable cameras. But I had it framed from my mom, and now I inherited the picture. But I think it's too dark, right here. So I think what I'm going to attempt to do is do this gold, but leave this silver, and then I'm going to see how it looks, and I'll bring you guys back. But I am going to be using this gold metallic paint that I showed you last time on the other video. This is acrylic medium flow and additive. So I don't know, I've never tried it with this type of paint. This is a metallic paint, but I'm gonna give it a go and then I'll see what happens. I washed my brush. I'm just gonna add a very tiny bit because I just want to experiment first before I go putting a whole oops, that's not a tiny bit. Before I go putting a whole bunch of it and then, you know, mess up. So you're only supposed to add like a drop or two. I just did. And now all I'm gonna do is see if this actually works like it says it's supposed to. You don't want to load your brush too thick, because then it goes on, you know, really thick, like I said before. But I do want to, oh yeah, I'm already liking it, guys. You can't see it, but let me do this. Can you see that? I'm attempting to just do this, but I might just do the whole thing because I think it'll look better with everything done. Now I have two shades of this color, so I may very well go ahead and kind of play with the other shade that I have and see how I like it. This thing is drying. I shouldn't have done this because it's drying fast. It dries very, very fast. But I just want to show you what I'm doing, and we will take it from there. I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, guys, so the brush situation didn't work very well, so I'm going with this. Just very little, and it goes a lot better like this. So just keep that in mind. I wouldn't do the brush because, like I said, it didn't work very well for me. So, and I'm just doing the edge here like this. You just need very little. You don't need a whole lot, trust me. But, you know, you got to play with it to get it to where you want it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm playing with it because I want to make this gold and see if it'll look better. If not, then I guess I'll have to paint it back some other way. But I just want you, I think it's coming alive already, quite honestly, just from seeing it. And just use your finger and work it in there like I'm doing. I'm going to show you on this end. Let me see if I can just put this camera a little bit another way so that you can see it better. Can you see that? It's looking wonderful, guys. I'm not going to lie. All right, let me just do this. Maybe if I put it up here, you can see it. Yeah, what do you know? You can see it better this way. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to bring it down more because I want you to see everything. But it really is working out. So you can see what I'm doing, see? And just working it in like this. Make sure you get a glove that fits you kind of snug. Don't get a loose glove because it's not going to work as good. Okay? I'm loving it, guys. I really am liking it. So I'm just going to finish this side and then I'm going to move to the next side. See? Oh yeah. This is just bringing this picture, it's giving it some life, for goodness sake. It just looks so dull. And that's the garbage, people. Sorry, guys. Then, like I said, it doesn't take a whole lot of paint, so you're good. And I'm gonna do this side here. See that? Just take your finger. I just find that the finger works better than the brush. I didn't do the inside, and I'm not going to. Just what you can see. But you see the difference already? Let me see. Hopefully, look at that. Can you see the difference? I think it looks better already. It's bringing this whole thing to like, because it just look like, ugh. I'll bring you back when I'm done, okay? So I can show you. Okay, guys, it is hotter than Hades in this garage. But I also wanted to mention a couple of tips. A couple of tips I wanted to mention. Just use it straight up like this. Don't use anything else to dilute it with. Because I tried both ways. I tried it with alcohol, and then I tried it with this that is acrylic mediums, and I didn't really find that it did a whole lot, to be honest. The other thing that I want to mention, look how much I have still. This thing is practically full, and I did 2 pictures that you saw in the other video, and then I did this one. And the other thing is, it's so hot out here, it took me probably 15 minutes to do, to be honest. You want to use a glove, and you want to use a glove that fits you snug so that you can use your finger to spread it. I find that that works better. But, I mean, you be the judge. You try whatever you think works for you. I'm going to pick it up and lay it so that you can see what it looks like, okay? I'll bring you back in a minute. Oh my goodness, what a difference it made to paint that from that dark to this gold. It's like it gave it a whole new life. I gotta change the shade on that lamp, but look at it. It's just, I think it turned out really nice. And it only took me less than 15 minutes, to be honest. And I have to fix it because it's a little bit crooked, but that's okay. Just wanted to show you what it looks like. So give it a try, guys. And like I said, that little tube, I was skeptical because I didn't think it would go a long way, but it truly does go a long way. So give it a try. So there you have it, guys. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.